All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, it's been a comeback kind of week. All right, so it's been a comeback kind of week. I mean, I think everyone in the shop has had a comeback, you know, some not related to actually what we did, some related to what we did, but it's been history, 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 history. You know, I had a car come back in, I diagnosed as a no communication, fixed the no communication, and now her airbag light comes on and her charging port doesn't work. Charging port was a blown fuse, airbag had no codes. That's just one comeback. I got an oil leak comeback sitting in this bay. That was my fault. I mean, don't think I'm not saying it was my fault. Eric had a Land Rover come back for a brake light on. It was the parking brake switch, not the brakes he did. He had another Saab come back with a, oh, must be something we did. Yeah, customer left the bleed screw out of the radiator after they put a new reservoir on it. The new guy, Craig, well, we got a new guy, Craig, by the way. Craig is the new guy. Greg, who used to work here, you know, you want to keep your job, you got to kind of show up and call in if you're not going to. So just a, you know, FYI. So we got a new guy, Craig, working here, and he had a comeback for a, well, misfire, and the customer declined the bad coil, but apparently the misfire got worse after Craig touched it, so we wound up putting a used coil in we had on hand just to let the, you know, make it go away. That's kind of been the week we've had. You know, Zach downstairs has had a, you know, brain fart on a wheel bearing that was directional. You know, that's the kind of week everybody's had. It's like, you know, I think literally everybody has had some sort of history ticket this week, and it sucks. Sometimes it's your fault, sometimes it's not. Like Eric, neither were actually his doing. They were completely unrelated to the repairs he did. You know, one of mine was unrelated to the repairs I did, another was related to the repairs I did. But don't let it get you down. We all have comebacks, we all have bad days, we all have bad weeks. So, you know, I'm on an inspirational trip this week, so remember, unless you have a lot of comebacks coming back, the occasional comeback ain't that big a deal. We all make mistakes. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.